Hey guys, welcome back to R&D Garage. Today I'm taking a break from working on cars to do a tool review. So I love this tool. This tool is super cool. It's actually a Mastercool Universal Hydraulic Flaring Tool Set. Let's crack her open. So as you can see, there's a variety of different sizes of dies to use. Here's the actual tool itself. And this tool is capable of doing push connects, GM fuel line flares, 45-degree double flares, and also metric bubble flares. So pretty neat. If you take a look at the tool, you'll notice the top is pretty slender. This way it fits perfectly into like cramped engine bays, wheel wells, anywhere that you're gonna need to do a flare on a line. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually demonstrate what that looks like. I've got a piece of conifer right here, which is kind of a copper nickel hybrid type tube. So the first thing you're going to want to do whenever you do this is make sure you put the nut on first, because once you flare the end, yeah, that's not going on. So that's what I'm going to do. Boop. Okay. Second part is you want to deburr the end. And so this just gets rid of any unknown substances, just like little basically burrs that might get stuck. So you'll just hold it tight in one hand and twist the tip with the other. Perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna have to bring you guys down to the floor with me, because while I'm sure 99% of you could probably get this going with just single hand power, unfortunately my hands are a little bit too small and not quite tough enough to get it tight enough. So I'm gonna have to use some leverage. So come on down. Okay, so now we're gonna put the die on. So what we're gonna do is fit the pipe right in the middle and put this guy on top. And again, for you guys who are going to just be using your hand to compress, you can go ahead and make sure that the tube is flush using a flat surface. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in, and then I'll have to use a little bit of a ruler to make sure that it stays flush. Awesome. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and tighten this up. So that's using this, and it goes towards you. And you're going to want to make sure that it ends up parallel to the tool. Okay, now we're going to actually use the adapter. And so this helps to kind of pick it up first, at least for me. So we're going to go ahead and put the adapter in. And next you're going to close up the valve like that. And when you're compressing the handle here, you want to make sure the tip goes into the tubing. There you go. Okay, and this is when it gets a little bit tricky, or not tricky, but this is when you're going to compress until you just can't really compress anymore. So this way I have to use a little bit of leg and hand power. And actually, that was pretty good right there. So now what we're going to do is open the valve, and you'll see it pops right back out. And so we're going to take a picture of what this looks like right now. So now that we've shown you what a single flare looks like, let's go ahead and show you the double flare as well. So we'll use the other adapter, and we'll stick it right in here. And again, close up the valve. And aim the tip into the tube again. Perfect. And now I'm going to set this down so I can squeeze it a little bit better. There we go. Okay. Open it up. Take this out. And now, since we're done, we can go ahead and loosen this somehow. There we go. Okay, so I found that just kind of lightly hitting it on the ground works perfectly. So this looks great, and we'll take a picture of it up close for you. So anyone of you that have used the hand style kits for, you know, like flaring and everything, this is night and day. This tool will pay for itself. We basically rebuilt the Mini's brake system and clutch system using this tool. It's amazing. What's also great is that it comes in this wonderful molded case. You open it up, it's fully labeled, it's got some instructions. You look down, you notice immediately if you're missing a die. What's also great is that you can order other dies online, like, you know, for English cars. You know, they have 37 degrees. Also great about this tool is that it can work with extremely hard metals such as stainless steel. So honestly, I love this tool. Like I said, it's paid for itself. I definitely recommend this if you do a lot of work with hydraulic lines. And well, if you buy it, enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching R&D Garage. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I appreciate all you guys for liking my videos and subscribing. Have a great day.